Hi guys. Well, January 17th, time to get rid of 17 items in the Less is Now Minimalism Challenge. And we'll start with this box. It's just a Calico Critter box that someone gave me. It's not vintage or anything. So that's gonna go. I don't need it. I'm not gonna use it. We have a spinner. This is actually a spinner that comes on a pen, but they're so heavy to write with them on the pen. I took them off and we don't use them. So those are gonna go. We have a camera case that we never use ever. So that's gonna go. Why keep it if you don't use it, right? Right. We have a box cutter, but we already have one, so we don't need two. We have some, what I believe is memory for a computer. The boyfriend says we don't need it anymore. Can't use it or something. So those are going. We have two like Nintendo controller pins that you put on stuff. I don't know where they came from. I don't know why we have two, but they're going. We also have a Legion pin that we don't need, so that's going. We found 3 CDs of old apps and games that don't work anymore, scratched or just outdated. So again, why keep them, right? We found a brand new recordable like DVD thing. It's still sealed, actually, but we're not going to use it apparently. This is from the boyfriend stuff. And a random empty case and some more outdated apps that are no more good. So that is our 17 things for January 17th. We'll see you again to continue the Less is Now challenge.